My name is Ben Glass. I'm the CEO and CTO of Alteros. Alteros is enabling state-of-the-art communication services in a lot of rural areas, emerging markets by developing essentially the world's first autonomous tethered lighter-than-air platform that allows us to deploy basically very, very tall cell towers that can cover a huge area in a very energy-efficient, cost-effective way.
My name is Prashant Tandon. I'm the founder and CEO of 1MG. Healthcare companies should be the companies that people really admire, but that's not the case. Healthcare companies are some of the least respected companies, and the reason is that the consumer's trust is gone missing somewhere. 1MG is a digital health platform based out of India, and we aim to make healthcare transparent, understandable, accessible, and affordable for consumers. What we do is really provide the consumer with a full set of choices, that these are the different parts of treatment that could work for you, and you use that to finally make the judgment that is in your best interest.
I'm Kyung. I'm the founder of IGL Coatings. Traditional coatings in the market, they use toxic chemicals that are quite harmful to the users. They can cause chronic disease such as cancer or even affect the reproductive system. We research and we manufacture eco-friendly surface coatings that can be used on wood, plastic, metal, paint, glass, cement, literally almost all surface. Typical products in the market, you'll see them using solvents such as xylene, benzene, toluene. But for us, we do not use any raw materials that are hazardous to the environment and to the user. To date, we have about 3,000 installers who are business owners who are using our products and have collectively coated about 2 million vehicles. And this translates to about 30 tons of coatings that we have sold.
At Re3D, we are addressing the two biggest barriers to 3D printing. It's cost and scale. And we do that by building our flagship technology, the Gigabot, which cost per scale is the most affordable, large-scale industrial 3D printer in the world.
My name is Ran Korber. I am the CEO and one of the co-founders of Breezometer. Breezometer is tackling $1.6 trillion problem, air pollution. We provide highly accurate, real-time location-based air pollution data. Using our product, people can know what is the air pollution they are breathing in real time and make informed decisions on how to reduce their exposure.